Hi, my name is Nur Shadaman Tibaran Elias Bahadon. My metric number AF 2059. I'm going to present the introduction of the Sustainability Urban Park in Kuala Lumpur. So the challenge is that Kuala Lumpur lacks green spaces due to rapid urban growth, and the proposed park is to feature walking paths, playgrounds, benches, solar lights, smart irrigation, and educational programs. In the project is a financial feasibility, which is the benefit-cost ratio, compares benefit versus cost to check if the park is worth the investment. We use the sustainability, which is green roofs, rainwater harvesting, and energy efficient lighting. The project management is the LED by AC Building Engineering in charge of building and ensuring sustainability. For the problem statement is Kuala Lumpur is losing green spaces, which is the solution is build a sustainable urban park using benefit cost ratio BCR to compare cost and benefits of two sites. For the objectives of the projects is to evaluate the project's benefit cost ratio BCR to ensure profitability, then assess the company's ability to fund the park, and then compare costs and returns of two potential locations. Next, incorporate climate resilience and eco-friendly designs. Other than that, address identified problems from the analysis, and lastly, determine project approval based on findings. And then for the project scope, the goal is to evaluate the feasibility of building a sustainable urban park in Kuala Lumpur, which is the step is to compare two sites based on costs and benefits. Second, analyze financial viability using the benefit cost ratio BCR. And third, incorporate green technologies for sustainability. And lastly, assess if AC building engineering require external funding. For the outcome, provide feasibility recommendations managed by AC Building Engineering.
Next, we move to the company background. So, this company was established as the Legacies that founded in 1976. AC Building Engineering is reowned by Malaysian companies specializing in infrastructures, engineering, and construction. So, the device they advertise, this company is operate across the transportations, water management, real estate, and tunneling with the focus on sustainable and transformative project. For the early success, the initially focus on road and building work. It's gained the prominence through major infrastructures projects like Damansara Puchong Expressway (LDP). For the innovative leadership, AC Building is recognized for its advanced tunneling expertise, notably using the TMP technologies in the Kelang Valley MRT project. Next, the sustainability commitment. The firm integrates eco-friendly practice and industry recognition for reducing the waste and adopting the sustainable technologies. For the global reach, AC Building has expanded internationally, contributing to projects in Taiwan, Singapore, Vietnam, Australia, and Middle East. For the focus on talent, the company emphasizes nurturing the innovation and talents to maintain its position as a leader in engineering and construction. Last but not least, the vision for the future, the dedicate to equality and sustainability, AC building construction contributes to shape the transformative infrastructure globally.
Okay, balance sheet. A balance sheet is a financial statement that provides a snapshot of a company's asset, liabilities, and equity at a particular moment. It offers a concise view of the company's financial position and is essential for evaluating its solvency and liquidity. Okay, for the cash flow refers to the movement of funds into and out of a company or project within a specified period. This fundamental concept is used to evaluate to the financial viability of engineering projects and determine their economic feasibility. Cash flow represents the net amount of cash and cash equivalent entering and leaving a business or project, accounting for the timing, magnitude, and predictability of future inflow and outflow. Okay, for the income statement, An income statement is an essential financial document in engineering economics used to assess the financial performance and profitability of a project or business over a specific period. It provides a structured summary of revenues earned and expenses incurred during that time, offering a clear view of the net profit or loss.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ridwan bin Ismail and my matrix number is CF220199. I'll present about the benefit cost ratio. The benefits cost ratio is a financial metric that summarizes the relationship between the benefits and costs of a proposed project. It helps assess whether the project benefits outweigh its costs, serving as a crucial decision-making tool in project evaluation. If the PCR is greater than 1, it indicates that the project's benefits outweigh the cost, making it economically viable. If the PCR is less than 1, the project will not recover its costs, making it unsuitable for investment. Benefits cost ratio for Site A shows that the value for present worth and annual worth for conventional method is 1.19, which is greater than 1. It means the project can be proceed. While the value for the modified method for present worth and annual worth is 1.21, so the project is acceptable. Site B shows the value for present worth and annual worth for conventional method is 1.41, which is greater than 1, so that the project can be proceed. And for the value for modified method for present worth and annual worth is 1.45. So it means that the project is acceptable. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Sadi bin Hamidun with metric number CF210360. Let me start by explaining the annual benefit for both sides. The total benefit come from four sources. First, we come from the entry fee revenue, which give RM 730,000, and number two come from the fee for the AR trail. So the contributing RM 547,000 and 500. And number three, with the cost rental, we adding RM 270,000. And lastly, the event space revenue, which at RM 288,000. So when we add this together, the total annual benefit for both sides are RM 1,835,000 and 500. And now let's talk about the VCR calculation. So we made a few assumptions. So first, the interest rate is 10%. Then the project period is 10 years. And we use as the specific conversion factor for the calculation. So we go through with the for side A first. The conventional BCR is 1.19, which are greater than 1. And then the modified BCR for side 1, side A is 1.21, also greater than 1. Then we go for the side B. So the conventional BCR is 1.41, greater than 1. And the modified BCR for side B is 1.45, also greater than 1. And so this means both sides are economically viable. Okay, finally, let's discuss the economic justification. So, both sides have a BCR greater than 1, so which prove they are economical viable. So, by investing in both sides, we can take advantage of their unique benefits. And then, this create a balanced and cost-effective portfolio. Plus, it offers great potential for a long-term growth. So, investing in both sides, which is a good decision for this company. So, that's all for me.
So, for justification of project status, the first principle of engineering economy is to develop the alternative. This involves the identification and evaluation of different options or courses of action to choose the best among them. The second one is to focus on the differences, where it emphasizes the importance of examining the differences rather than the similarities between options when comparisons are made. The third one is to use consistent viewpoint, where the view that in any given problem there must be same perspective or comparisons. Next, to consider all relevant criteria, it allows the engineers to make appropriate decisions whereby all factors concerning the project or situation are well informed. This is the crucial step for decision making. Then, Make uncertainty explicit. Making uncertainty explicit allows engineers to identify and grasp the risks and uncertainties associated with each option, which supports much more informed and deliberate decision making. Then, lastly, revisit your decisions. This will enable engineers to keep up with dynamic situations and ensure that their decisions are always in line with their aims and objectives. This is a very crucial step in their decision making process as it allows engineers to make the necessary changes to stay on course to reach the desired outcome.
In conclusion, the study used engineering economy methods, including cost-benefit analysis, to assess the feasibility of an urban park project in Kuala Lumpur. A benefit-cost ratio over 1 confirmed the project's financial viability with a positive net present value (NPV). Financial documents like cash flow analysis, balance sheet, and income statements played a key role in evaluating financial health. And then the research also emphasized addressing challenges and using alternative approach to ensure the project stays viable and cost effective.